Hey guys, today I will rate my fans' trades. Let's delve into these amazing trades. First trade by Sonic. I love megas, but those megas will give you a hard time to trade. As a mid-tier, Dalmatian has good demand. So I'll rate this first trade a loose. Second trade. Another loose in my opinion. Your offer is worth 2 neon legendaries while their offer can get 1 neon legendary and adds. I am making Mega Pumpkin by the way. Yo, nice trade, Ayan. Christmas bait is super rare. Your legendaries are hard to trade. Nice trade. Why'd you do this, lol? Big loose, I'd say. They were already under and you still added an exotic Tortuga. Mega Queen Bee needs to add small for evil unicorn, while their offer need big ads for evil. Lovely trade, Nordiana. Your offer can get 1 legendary while their offer can get 4. By the way guys, field mouses are rare, but sadly low demanded. I've rarely seen them in servers. They will gain value, trust me. Another amazing win. Snow leopards are very old. Are you looking for cheap and affordable pets? Look no further than bloxboom.com. The best part is that it has a market for games beyond Adopt Me. From MM2 and Pet Simulator to Block Fruit, Anime Defenders and more, it provides everything you want. Plus, they're friendly, professional 24/7 human live chat community. Support is always there to help with any questions you have. So join hundreds of satisfied customers who've rated them highly on Trustpilot and receive your item in under 4 minutes, like the 97% of the other customers. Yay, another big win. You just gave a small profit, worth saving the time. To make mega. Humongous exotic win. Both of these megas are exotic, but mini pig have way more demand. And more importantly, they are over. Guys, what do you prefer, mini pig or puffin? I have both of them and always get crazy offers for them. Big trade. For me, it's a lose. Even though it's an upgrade, but loose in values. Hope you'll get a good trade for Owl. Big win. Only one of those is over. Of course, 2 ride legendaries for 1 ultra rare is a win. Again, same case. Squid is a legendary, plus it is FR. Win. Loose, I would say. The only thing that interests me there is the stroller. Please never trade your old pets for randoms, guys. Only one is fair, so win. Those are very common, but 2 is surely a win. Does anyone find urchins cute, or it's just me, lol? Fair for me. Turtle has more demand than cow and can get more offers. Biggest loose, not gonna lie. Their offer is around 0.4 frosts, while Mega Queen Bee is 0.5 frosts. and Grim will be very hard to trade. But hope you'll get good for it and don't regret. Small win. If you make them mega, you can easily make profit. Wow! Win, I would say, old pets are more demanded. Ads are not so good, but still win. Very fair. Both of these offers are worth 1 neon legendary. Now it's totally up to you, if you want to do it or no. Yep, I am not jealous. Your offer is worth 7 legendaries while their offer can get 15. That's the double so huge win. Big trade. It depends if you are a high tier or mega collector. As a mega collection, this is the best trade. Crazy win, man. This trade made me blissful lol. Ooh. Again fair, both of the offers are 1 frost dragon. But that's a great cow stack. Oh my god, humongous win ever. Your offer is worth a giraffe while there is worth 2 frosts. Y'all are so lucky with trades, not gonna lie. Last trade. Again, a good upgrade. I would say small win. Bye guys.